Eruption threshold for the GPS station near the Svartsengi power plant has passed the threshold of eruption. We have a cluster of the earthquakes between the Svartsengi and Hagafell, and we can see that also on the chart is not yet a swarm, but the depth of the earthquakes have decreased. Now we are having them almost near the surface, from the depth of 5 kilometers to 1 kilometer. We have all these earthquakes happening. And in the past, in the December 2023 and January 2024, we had eruption when that threshold level reached. We have not passed that threshold level. Any moment we will have another eruption, and I'm waiting for that, and I will report it to you. Thermal images show the heat from the previous eruption in January also is yet rising from the field of lava. As you can see, the area is covered in snow, but that area is free from the snow. When it happens, the swarm of the earthquake will be sudden, and the magma will rise, and you see it in the tremors chart, an earthquake chart. And this will be something like the 14th of January. This is the chart now. Earthquake swarms started, and you see that. And the cluster of the earthquake on the map also was visible. Any moment we will have that. This is near. This is the place to watch. Near between Svartsengi and Hagafell. Eruption of the Hagafell and Grindavik volcano was surprising. It created two fissures, one 900 meter, the other one 100 meter, touching almost the northern part of the Grindavik. They could have been part of the same fissure, just being a little bit more extended. What we have now, the situation is that we had a Sundunka eruption in the December 2023. Now we have the January 2024. The Grindavik had a Hagafell eruption. And in between, there is a gap. You can see between the yellow part to the left and the orange part again to the left. We have extension to the Sundunka, extension to the Hagafell Grindavik, nothing in the middle. We must have something there happening. It is stuck. It has to accommodate the movement, otherwise those ones cannot move. It's like a zipper. In the north, Sundunka near the Svartsengi has opened up, and we had an eruption, and this is part of the mid-Atlantic ridge, the fault line extension, creating eruptions. Sundunka was like that. And then after that, we have the Hagafell and the Grindavik again, to the south this time, and opening up the ground like a zipper, and we had this eruption presto. And now in the middle it is stuck, no movement there. It has to move because this extension of the Eurasian plate, like a zipper again, it has to open up, accommodating this all extensions. Two sides open, one middle cannot stay there. And we have evidence for that. You see that this is Sundunka in the orange arrow, and the yellow one shows the Grindavik Hagafell one. And in the middle, we are seeing these earthquakes at a depth of 2 kilometers are coming. The slope of this land uplift chart shows that it's quite possible we have it within 3 weeks, end of the January, first week of the February. It will be somewhere between the Hagafell and the Sundunka, to the north of the current eruption that happened in January 2024.